Hi everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. In this episode, I'd like to show you the new experience in Microsoft Teams. So you see that now when we go, we don't see the team app here, and what we see here is discover, mention, favorites, chats, teams and channels, and so this is how it looks. Now it's also possible to create sections where we can add channels and chats and things. But I want to show you first, if you want to roll back to the how it looked before, what you can do is go to the three dots, go to settings, and now you have a new option of setting chats and channels. Here you can change it from combined to separate, and then you'll have the experience. You'll need to give some feedback. In this case, I will ignore. We could add some additional things. And now if we go back, you see the Teams app is here. The chat is back here. So, but assuming we want to test the new experience, so now we know we can go to settings, chat, and change it to combined. Now if we go, actually, we will see that there's only the chat, not the teams. Now let's see what we can do. So first of all, we also have a filter here. So notice we can choose filter by unread, by only chats, by only channels, by meetings, and by muted. Not sure exactly what that means, but we will test it. Now, additionally, what we can do, we can go here to the new item. And in addition to create a new message, a new channel, or join a team or new team, we can create a new section. Let's call it My Topics. Let's save. So first of all, we have this grouping. So if we click on the three dots, we can sort by most recent, unread, custom. We can also rename the section if we want. Can rename it to this. And I can also remove it or delete it. Now what we can do is we can assign channels, meeting chats to this section. So the first way is actually I can go to this channel ABC. Oh, let's go to this retail. And for this channel, I now can do show either in favorite or in the section. Let's add it to the favorite. You see it's added here. Now we can also remove it, or we can even move it now to this section. And how do we know which channel it is? Currently only by the icon. If we hover over it, we can see also the name, which is retail. Now, assuming we want also to show additional the general channel, for instance, instead of going to the three dots and doing show, we can drag it to this section. Now this section has two of these channels, but we can also choose a meeting and move it here, or we can add also a chat. So here's a chat. In this case, it's a meeting, but both are in the chat. And of course, we can also filter by the channel, only channels, or if we want only meetings. And so this is a new experience that currently is rolling out. And I would be like to know what you think about it. Now, as far as I remember, you can have up to 50 items within each section. By the way, if I go here to the teams and channels, you see I can hide inactive channels. You can see your channels and teams, and list options. You can list only channels or also channels and teams. So this is something. So let's just see only channels. Now we see only channels. Or if we want to move it back and see channels and teams, now we see both. So this is more or less only interface thing. It doesn't affect anything in how you work. But of course, you can have, for instance, a section. This is one topic, and let's create another section and call it HR. And in HR, we will take this channel and this welcome. We can also show in HR. So either dragging and dropping, or we have this option to show. In addition, we can also hide. So let's see what happens if I hide. I go here. I should see, I can remove it from the section. It's removed. I can probably also drag it out. So, and you see we get a message, the channel was moved. So this is the experience that we have currently. What else we can see here? We can collapse all sections, and we can do other things. So hopefully you like it. I would like to show you one new feature that I found out. So up until now you have the standard calendar, but Microsoft is showing or introducing a new calendar that will be very similar to what we have in Outlook. So instead of what we have here, if I go and search for calendar, I see here now calendar new. Once I choose this, I see a new interface. Because why? Because I can change the interface to be daily, weekly, monthly. I can change the time scale. I can save a current view. I can filter by all kinds of things. Look at this. Wow. And I can also arrange events, channel meetings, and town halls and things. And if I want to switch back, I can toggle here, and this will switch me back to the classical one. So this is a new feature that is here. Let's see here. I have one calendar. I can see here more calendars, for instance, birthdays. I can see group calendars, and I'm wondering if I can see overlay. This is something that I would like to check. Not yet, but I see I can show many things. So this calendar new is new. So let me know what you think about both the new Teams interface and this new calendar. Goodbye.